Hi, Dan Fujigawa. Today I want to talk about the Immigration New Zealand's website. Overall, it's sometimes not such a useful website, and a lot of clients come to us saying, I saw this on the website, but it turned out to be wrong. The information wasn't what they expected. Many things like that. It can be problematic. It can feel like it's a bit of a trap sometimes. I think the most frustrating thing on the website is that it looks like it should be helpful, and it looks like it's giving some good advice, some good information. But really it's only giving half of the picture. So often people think, oh, this is good, I can do something, but it turns out that they can't, which of course is very frustrating. The Immigration New Zealand website also creates a false impression of how useful it is or how helpful Immigration New Zealand are. Immigration New Zealand, they need to assess whether they should decline a visa application or not, and so it doesn't make sense for them to give all the information that they have or that they will use to approve or decline an application on their website. We need to do this as part of the application process. So what is useful on the Immigration New Zealand website? There are some very useful tools there, so let's have a look. Okay, so this is the Immigration New Zealand website, www.immigration.govt.nz, the official website. The most useful part that we often use is here to find fees, decision times, where to apply. We click, scroll down. So here you choose your visa type, so what kind of visa you're applying for. Sometimes the visa names are different than you think, so, but you can search. So if we search for a visitor, and visitor visa, choose it. Your nationality, so say you're from Afghanistan, first one, and you're applying, let's apply in New Zealand. Christchurch, so we're in South Island, and we want to apply online or on paper, so we'll choose which way. Online is definitely better, and then it's for one person, and you find out how much it costs and how long it takes. So the Immigration New Zealand application fee is $246 for this. The processing time, they say within 6 months. This is a wild guess. They say 90% of applications are processed within this time, but we don't really believe it. It's a guideline. It's not always accurate. It's not a promise. Don't think of it as a promise. And then various information. COVID information, so this is also quite useful. Key updates, entry requirements and things like that. So you can find what you have to do, manage isolation. This changes all the time, so it's good to keep up to date with the new rules. So we use this. The other main part that's interesting for the website is to find out about work details. So skills shortage list checker, we use this a fair bit. But it's quite useful because you can find your occupation's ANZCO code skill level if it's on the shortage list. So say for example for a chef, and you can choose what type of chef you are. Lots of variations. So say just a normal chef. So here we can see it's ANZCO level 2, so it's a higher skill position. We can also see specializations and the ANZCO code. So this is useful. We can see it's on the long-term skill shortage list, and it's a skilled job. So if you're claiming points for long-term skill shortage list, you need to meet the criteria that it says in here. Okay. give some ideas about maybe you can apply for a skilled migrant category. So this is the useful part of the website. Of course, the online services, so you can choose what you want to use and log in. The only other part which is really useful is the news and updates. So news center, news and notifications. So here, all the recent news, different things. So you can keep up to date with what's changing in INZ through here. Apart from these areas, we don't use the website very much, but it gives you a good indication if you're generally eligible. So if you check these things before inquiring, it can give you a good start. Okay, so that's the website. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again. As always, if you do want a video made of some immigration matter, write it in the comments and we'll see what we can do. See you next time.